this video we are going to change the voice of simple past tense. Okay, first example is she wrote a letter. So here, how can we identify that this is simple past tense? This is second form of verb, which shows that it is simple past tense. The passive voice of this is, first of all, we have to identify a subject and object of the active voice. Then we can change this into passive voice. Okay, so she wrote a letter. Who wrote letter? She. So that's why she is our subject. Okay, letter. What has been written? Letter. So letter is our object. Okay, so that's how we have identified subject, verb, object. Now whenever we are changing this into active to passive, first we are supposed to write object. Okay, so our object is letter. Okay, so first we will take object. Okay, as it is simple past tense, here we are supposed to use was. Okay, why was? Because here we are talking about a letter, that is singular. When it is singular, we are supposed to use was, and after that return is the third form. Okay, return is third form. Okay, and by her is our subject. So object, verb, subject. That is how we solve active to passive. Okay, then the next one, that is second sentence. Let us see. They ate mangoes. Okay, so here our subject is they. Who ate mango? They ate mango. Here this is again, as it is simple past tense, it is V2, and here mangoes. What has been eaten? Mangoes. So that's why this is object. Okay, subject, verb, object. That is what we are supposed to identify first. Then into passive, first we will write object, that is mangoes. Okay, so objects. Now here you can see mangoes, it is not singular now, and that's why here we will use where. Okay, then finally eaten. Eaten is our third form. Okay, you know that we always use third form in passive voice. By them, finally subject. Okay, so here you can see in active voice we use second form of verb. Okay, active voice, simple past tense, we use second form of verb, and in passive voice we use was or were, and after that we use third form of verb. Okay, so that's how we can identify. Here you can see wrote is the second form, that is an active voice. Ate is also second form. Here you can see active voice, but in passive voice you can see third form is used. Okay, so that's how we can change this into active to passive. Now let us try to understand the sentences into Marathi. Okay, she wrote a letter. Okay, so active voice मराठी मध्ये असं होतं, तिने पत्र लिहिलं. ओके, लिहिलं. ज्याप्रमाणे इथं सब्जेक्ट बदलतो त्याप्रमाणे ला, ले, ला असं येतं. त्यानंतर त्याचं पॅसिव्ह वॉइस काय झालं? अ लेटर वॉज रिटन बाय हर. पत्र तिच्याकडून लिहिलं गेलं. लिहिलं गेलं. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर दुसरं सेंटेन्स, दे एट मँगोज. त्यांनी आंबे खाल्ले. ओके, खाल्ले. आणि त्याचंच पॅसिव्हमध्ये काय होईल? मँगोज वेर इटन बाय देम, म्हणजे आंबे त्यांच्याकडून खाल्ले गेले. खाल्ले गेले म्हणजे इथं ला, ले काही येऊ शकतं, पण शेवटीला ल येतं, एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण चेंज द वॉइस शिकला आहे सिम्पल पास्टचा. ओके, दॅट्स हाऊ वी हॅव लर्न. थँक्यू.